Hello everyone, so today we're going to do a bit of a maths investigation and we are going to have a go at sharing into equal groups. Okay, so what you need for our maths today is 2 containers, okay, I'm using these, and 10 counting objects. Okay, so I've got counters, as you can see here, but remember you can use anything that's small in your house for your counting objects. Okay, so what you can do now is press pause and go and get these. Fantastic. Now I'm going to use Eeyore to help me with my sharing today. Okay, say hello Eeyore. Hello. Okay, so I've got my 2 containers and I'm going to start with 5 of my objects. Okay, and to see if I can share 5 objects between me and Eeyore. Okay, so I'm going to first, if you can help me count 5 into my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's share 5 between me and Eeyore. So I'm going to move my camera down so that you can see both containers. Okay, you ready, Eeyore? 1 for me. 1 for Eeyore. 1 for me. 1 for Eeyore. 1 for me. Okay. Oh, hang on a minute. What's wrong? Eeyore's not very happy. Okay. So he says that they're not shared equally. Oh dear. I've got 3 and he's got 2. Okay. He wants to share them equally. Okay. So I will take 1 out of my bowl. Okay. And now I've got 2 and Eeyore's got 2 and they're equal. But I think what we found out there is that 5 cannot be shared equally because we have 1 remaining. Okay, we have 1 remaining. Okay, now I have got 1, 2, 3 biscuits in front of me. Now we're going to see if we can share these 3 biscuits equally between me and Eeyore. Now, what shall we do to share them equally? Oh, I know that you are coming up with lots of fabulous ideas. And I think that we could half one of them. So this one's for me and this one is for Eeyore. And then over here we can halve this biscuit. Okay, so 1 and a half for me and 1 and a half for Eeyore. Okay, so there we have managed to share 3 equally because I've got 1 and a half and Eeyore's got 1 and a half. So we've shared it between 2 equally. But we cannot always share 3 equally. Okay, so if we had, let's see, let's get our bowls back and 3 counters and we'll see if we can share them equally. 1 for me, 1 for Eeyore. Unfortunately, we cannot half the counter, so the counters are unable to be shared equally. It's unequal because there's 1 left over. There is 1 remaining. Okay, so sometimes if an object can be halved, we can share it equally, but sometimes we can't. It depends on what we are using. Fabulous. Well done, everyone. Really good investigating. Thank you for helping me and Eeyore. Now it's your turn, and I'm going to leave your 2 investigations up on the screen. Okay, so I want you to see if you can share the number 6 equally. So you can use your 2 containers and your objects. Okay, and then I would like you to see if you can share the number 7 equally or not. Okay, now remember that some things can be shared equally and some cannot. Sometimes it depends on what we are using. So you might want to use different things at home to have a go at that investigation. Okay, and then after you've done those numbers, some of you might want to continue your investigation with even bigger numbers. Okay, and we look forward to seeing photographs of your investigation. So good luck, everybody, and enjoy.